The yellow delicious banana. How to eat it. Bananas provide a host of nutritional benefits and are known for their practicality as a snack. However, consuming bananas entails more than just peeling and biting. Here's a guide to eating bananas in various enjoyable ways. First, fresh bananas are most commonly consumed whole after being peeled. Ensure the skin is removed entirely to avoid any unpleasant bitterness. If you are not fond of eating them whole, you can slice them into discs and add them to a bowl of cereal or yogurt, enhancing both flavor and nutritional value. For a quick energy boost, blend a banana with milk and a scoop of protein powder to create a nourishing smoothie. When it comes to cooking, bananas are versatile. They can be baked into bread or muffins, imparting a natural sweetness without the need for excessive sugar. Another delightful option is to fry banana slices in a bit of butter and sprinkle them with cinnamon for a warm, comforting treat. Additionally, bananas can be frozen for a refreshing treat. Peel the banana, cut it into chunks, and place the pieces in a freezer-safe bag. Once frozen, these banana pieces can be blended into banana ice cream or tossed into a smoothie for an extra creaminess. Lastly, don't forget the classic banana split. Cut a banana lengthwise and top it with a scoop of ice cream, some whipped cream, and a drizzle of chocolate syrup. These diverse methods introduce new textures and flavors, making bananas a versatile fruit for any occasion. Whether consumed fresh, cooked, or frozen, incorporating bananas into your diet provides a delicious way to access their many health benefits.